it's Jennifer. I woke up today and I made a decision. Today we are going to chase Halloween. So I woke up today and I realized I have a free day, but I need coffee so bad. I'm going to whip up a quick batch of pumpkin spice creamer and we're going to get the day started. I'm going to use a can of coconut milk. Okay, I added the milk to the container and the recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of pumpkin pie spice. But you know me, I like to add in one at a time and taste as I go to see what I like. So I'm going to add in the 1 tablespoon of vanilla. It also calls for 6 tablespoons of maple syrup, but I'm going to just start with 3 and again taste it and see how I like it. Then we're going to mix it all together. Okay, this tastes really good. That's good. Okay, I have this little milk bottle here that I'm going to pour this into. Okay, it is ready and I'm definitely ready to have my coffee. Hope you enjoyed yours this morning, and if you try this recipe, let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Since I had a free day today, I thought I would take the opportunity just to go Halloween hunting and see if I can find literally anything just to raise my spirits. So let's go see what Marshall's has. Okay, look what I found in Marshall's here. We have a Halloween. Is this early Halloween? The Dark Mark. Is this, tell me this is not for a movie, this is actual Halloween. Leave me in the comments if you know this is tied to something or if this could actually be a Halloween sighting. Okay, I know this isn't exactly Halloween, but HomeGoods has these really nice black and white towels here. These ones have roses on them. They have bows. They have some with just some patterns on it. Really cute. So if you do a bathroom in black and white like I do, this might be an option for you. Oh my goodness. Walmart came through. They have a whole horror section in the electronics department by the video games and the movies and things. All the horror movies. Let's take a look. Five Nights at Freddy's. It's just a sipper. Looks like a can. The Megan doll. Looks like that is $34.97. And then these are $16.94. This one, little charging station. Looks like that is $34. No, that's the wrong price. I think this, the nun from The Conjuring, is going to be $34.96. So I'm not sure how much this charging station is. This Annabelle figure is $34.97. Get the glare off there. And then there's a 3-pack of socks for $9.96. And they have a bowl and spoon and napkin set for $9.93. See, that's the side of the bowl. And they have some of these little packs here for $6.98. And there's some more plush. There's the clown, $16.94. Jaws. Okay, so we switched into Jaws here. Let's see. The cold cup, $7.93. And what is this? Zen Garden is $12.93. And then we have Carrie. This is going to be, let's see, I'm going to guess it's the same as the Jaws cold cup of $7.93, but this one has Whoops, don't lose the straw. It has some red blood in it that moves around. And then there's t-shirts for $10. You have American Psycho. And that's $9.98. These memorabilia dolls are $14.96. And then there's the movie. I'm not sure. Oh, 6-pin set. This zipper is $6.93. Let's Party. And the spiral notebook is $6.94. For $19.98, they have the Jason baseball jersey, Friday the 13th. There's the back. For $24.96, they have this small backpack in corduroy for Camp Crystal Lake. And that's the back. So it has the faux leather straps on it. For $34.97, we have Friday the 13th Jason doll. And for $29.96, there's this Jason mask light. And I think these are $24.97. They have assorted different Goosebump related little action figures. So there's a couple of different ones. Here that I see the 4, and make that 5. There's this one too. And then they have a Five Nights at Freddy's desk mat that's going to look like that, and it glows in the dark. It's 31 by 15 inches. And for $19.95, they have the Five Nights at Freddy's wall art that lights up. And for $14.96, they have a plush blanket that looks like that. And that is 45 by 60 inches. I may need to put on a movie tonight just to keep going after this Halloween spirit. I'm thrilled that we found something spooky. They also have the Beetlejuice wedding tuxedo, but I don't see a price on this anywhere. And for $16.99, they also have the Beetlejuice little plush. And this ultimate Beetlejuice one. Beetlejuice. With all the different faces. That's kind of cool. And they have the Halloween action figure here, Curse of Michael Myers. And they have the Gremlins plush too, but again, I'm not seeing a price on it. They also have some women's sleep pants in Nightmare Before Christmas for $9.98. Those are adorable. So cute. Okay, I'm going big spender today. I'm getting some black nail polish because I am in desperate need of a fresh manicure. And I'm getting some silver hoop earrings. And that's it for our little stop in Walmart to do some Halloween hunting. And I am back at home now, and I thought we would end the video today with a fun unboxing Halloween haul, the first one of the 2025 spooky season. So let's get into it. First thing, I did get the ghost cat from Cracker Barrel. Let's get her out of this box. Hang on, I need 2 hands. And there she is in all of her styrofoam glory. I'll have to get a rag on her to clean her up. But my goodness, she is fantastic. So I do have the witch one I got last year. And absolutely love it. And when I saw the cat, a couple of thoughts came to me. One, it'd be so cute to put next to the witch, but also I have 2 black cats, so I thought, you know, in their honor, I would go ahead and pick this one up. So cute. Okay, let's see what's in the other boxes. Okay. And the other one I got was the ghost dog. So let me get this out of here to show you. And there is the ghost dog. He is just precious. So I have a dog right now, but I had a dog before this one that was a Rhodesian Ridgeback. And when I saw this ghost dog, the shape of the body reminded me so much of my late Enzo that I had to get it. So if you don't know what kind of dog a Rhodesian Ridgeback is, it's actually a man-made breed, but it's been around for many years. And it was brought over from, oh gosh, I want to say Europe or Africa. And it's a mix of Greyhound, Mastiff, and some other large breed dogs. So they're pretty big, the males, and mine was a male, can get up to between 100 and 150 pounds. Mine was about, it kind of went up and down between 120 and 125. He was a big dog, but they have the really long ears and the long snout like this. Very lean body, big barrel chest, smaller in the waist, more kind of like a Greyhound figure, but the size of a Mastiff. So yeah, so I had to get this one in honor of my late Enzo, because he just means the world to me. He was my first dog. So yeah, got this guy to join the family. And then we have one more in the box, so let's get that one out. Okay guys, this last one is from Target, and I am on the fence with this one because I don't really do cutesy Halloween decor. But for some reason, I just had to pick this one up. So let's see what he looks like lit up. All right, he does come with a try me button. Whoa, that is some bright light. It's almost like a lamp. That's so bright. Oh my gosh, do you guys like this one? Let me know down below. But I'm still on the fence on if I want to keep him. I just don't know. I'm kind of 75-25 of returning him. He's super cute and definitely lights up really well. But again, I just don't do super cutesy decor. Gosh, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about it for a little bit, but you guys let me know what you think down below. So we have the ghosty that is questionable. Our kitty cat here is definitely staying, and our dog who's staying, definitely staying. So we got these three for our first Halloween haul of 2025. Let me know what you think down below, and thank you so much for joining me on my free day adventure. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're going to be doing a ton of Halloween decor hunting this season. It is one of the main reasons I started my channel, and we are going to just have so much fun with it. So if you're in for Halloween, and of course Christmas, that's another holiday I go big on, make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on anything, and we can all enjoy it together. And I will see you in the next one.